Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. So in this lesson, I'm going to discuss about the zoom in and zoom out effect. Create a zoom in or zoom out effect. If we select from here, we'll set a marker here by pressing M and we'll insert a keyframe for scale and we'll zoom in to 158% and then zoom out to 95% and then zoom in again and then we'll reset it to back to the normal position. So when you play this, you can see that there is a nice zoom in and zoom out effect we can create to look the videos more attractive and powerful to the viewers. You can put the parameters by your choice. We insert the parameters here 100 and then 258, after that 95, after that 166 and then 100. Back to the normal. So it is your choice to insert the parameters as what you like to insert. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in the next lesson. Thank you.